Hello, welcome to Polaris Sendias. We support children, young people and their parent carers in Hampshire, the Isle of Wight and the London boroughs of Richmond and Kingston. I'm going to talk to you about the SEND 45 form today. This form updates the tribunal on what has happened since your appeal started and what still needs to be decided. Before you begin, gather the following information. Your appeal number, this will start with the letter E and can be found on your appeal documents. Any working document showing agreed changes, names and addresses of school involved, details of any representatives, supporters or witnesses you have. At the beginning of the case review form, please add your child or young person's name and their appeal number. This number usually begins with the letter E, and this can be found on your tribunal documents. Question 1 is about the progress of the appeal. Please tick all the boxes for the issues that you are still appealing. It may be that you started off with a Section B, Section F and a Section I appeal. Section B and Section F may have been resolved through the working document. If this is the case, you would only need to press Section I. Again, you only need to tick the issues that are outstanding and still need to be decided by the tribunal. Question 2 is about your working document. If you are appealing Sections B, F, Health or Social Care, then when you registered your appeal, the local authority would have provided you with a working document. In this question, please add the latest version and the date of this. Question 3 is regarding headline issues that are outstanding between the parties. You will need to list anything outstanding within your appeal that still needs to be resolved here. Question 4 is regarding your child or young person and whether they are currently attending school or college. If they are attending, then you can tick yes, but if they're not, then please give details of when they last attended school, whether they're receiving any alternative provision, and what the circumstances are at the current moment. Question 5. If you are appealing placement, please add the placement that you are requesting the tribunal to consider here. For question 6, please put the placement that the LA are proposing. Question 7 is about the readiness for the hearing. Do you consider that the appeal is ready to be heard by the tribunal? If yes, tick yes and go on to question 10. If no, please explain why not. It may be that you are awaiting new assessments or reports that haven't come through yet. This question is about when your appeal is not ready. It is asking you whether you and the local authority have decided a new timetable that would be suitable for you both. If you have, then please add the dates here for the tribunal to review. Questions 9 and 10 are about if your appeal is ready. They are asking whether you have a representative or a parental supporter. A representative is someone who will talk on your behalf within the hearing, and a parental supporter is someone who may sit by your side and support you emotionally throughout. It's important to remember that you do not need a parental supporter or a representative, and that you are able to do this on your own if you wish to. If you do have a representative or a parental supporter, please add their details on this section of the form. Questions 11 and 12 are about your witnesses. Please add the names of your witness and their occupation on question 11. For number 12, please state whether they have provided a written report. If they haven't, please put the reasons why. Your witnesses may be people such as SENCO, educational psychologist, occupational therapist, or any professional that knows your child or young person. Question 13 is about special requirements. Please let the tribunal know of any special requirements that you or your witnesses may have. For example, whether you need interpreters, support with communication, movement breaks, or if you're suffering from something like anxiety and will need a break if you become overwhelmed, please do let the tribunal know and they will be able to assist you with this. Question 14 is regarding type of hearing. There are two types of hearing. There are oral hearing or a paper hearing. The paper hearing is where the tribunal will make the decision using the evidence that you have submitted. You will not attend this hearing. An oral hearing is where the tribunal will take place online and you will be able to attend. Please do let the tribunal know your preference in question 14. Question 15 is about telling the tribunal if there is anything else that they should know before the hearing. This could include pending information, assessments, consultations that will provide additional evidence to support your appeal. This could also include things like if you are having difficulty communicating with the local authority or moving your case forward. This will help them decide what the next steps of your case will be. Number 16 is just a signature at the bottom and to print your name. If you need further information, advice or guidance in relation to this form or any part of the appeals process, please contact the SENDIAS in your area. You can call us, email or use our Contact Us form via the website.